Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Piyush Kumar, All India rank 137 in NDA 156 course, got a chance, as we all are aware, that the NDA 1 2026 and CDS 1 2026 results are out. So, from my side, it's an heartiest congratulations for everyone who all cleared this examination. Now, coming to the main part, which is SSB. तो SSB से पहले आती है डेट सिलेक्शन, और डेट सिलेक्शन के लिए जो भी नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिसने पहली बार रिटर्न क्लियर करा है तो उनको ज्वाइन इंडियन आर्मी पे रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज़ एन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल ज्वाइन इंडियन आर्मी DGR रिक्रूटिंग पार्ट. एज दे मैंशन दैट यू नीड टू रजिस्टर योर सेल्फ. ऑल कैंडिडेट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू register themselves online on Indian Army recruiting website, which is joinindianarmy.nic.in. So this process is bit puzzled. इसमें काफ़ी कन्फ्यूजन्स होती हैं और कुछ चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी पड़ती हैं ताकि आपका प्रोसेस स्मूथली हो जाए और फिर आपको बाद में जाके कोई डेट सिलेक्शन में दिक्कत ना आए. एक डेट सिलेक्शन भी एक बहुत मेजर पार्ट है जो आपकी पूरी प्रिपरेशन को या तो रूइन भी कर सकता है या फिर बहुत अच्छे से एक्सेल भी कर सकता है. एंड देन कमिंग टू द पार्ट हाउ टू डू डेट सिलेक्शन. So first of all, you need to go to Google and search out joinindianarmy.nic.in, and then the first link will come, and then you need to go to that link, and after that you will get this type of interface. इसमें सबसे पहले ही ऑफिसर सिलेक्शन लिंक होगा. इसमें जाने के बाद फर्स्टली यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन ऑफिसर्स एंट्री, अप्लाई और लॉग इन, एंड आफ्टर क्लिकिंग टू दिस पार्ट you will be sent back to this new interference. Here there are two types of people, already registered like we are and the new registered like you are. So you need to register here, and this process is a bit longer, so watch the video till the end so that you will get the clarity which is very much required. Then after clicking to the registration, you will be given this interference from the Join Indian Army, in which they had some instructions for you that this type of documents you must have before logging and before starting the registration part. The first document, the one of the most important document, is Aadhaar card or your matriculation mark sheet, which is your class 10th mark sheet. After that, second document is scanned copy of signature, which must be in between size 5 KB to 10 KB. And thirdly, a latest photo, which must be also in between 5 KB to 20 KB. अब आप कंप्रेस कर सकते हो बाय यूजिंग एनी ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म्स विच आर अवेलेबल इन गूगल, और या तो आप कोई सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज़ कर सकते हो विच आर अवेलेबल इन लैपटॉप्स और PC. आफ्टर दैट यू मस्ट हैव द मोबाइल नंबर विच इज़ लिंक टू योर आधार कार्ड, ताकि OTP जाए एंड देन यू कैन राइट द OTP. आफ्टर दैट द एक्टिव email ID, then the mark sheet of qualifying course or the address details. These are the things which you must have in your hand before starting your registration. Now entering to the main part, when your registration starts, first of all you will be shown some important instructions which you can read before going on, and after the instructions you will be shown this interference in which the personal details will start. They will provide you with two options. You can start with Aadhaar number or matriculation certificate. If you will choose matriculation certificate, you need to you need to download the picture of your matriculation certificate, which must be a scanned copy, and then provide it to the Join Indian Army, and then the other proceeding will happen. But I will suggest to go with the Aadhaar number because it is very much convenient and easy for all of us. Coming to this part, whenever you will click to Aadhaar number, you will be shown an interference of Join Indian Army recruitment. Here you need to write your Aadhaar number and then a captcha you need to fill. After clicking to the next, so they will redirect you to the DG locker, and then you will give out the permissions. Now coming to the personal details, you will be shown this interference in which you need to select firstly your domicile state. From the state you have the domicile certificate you belongs to, and then after that your Aadhaar number will automatically will come, and then the candidate name, this will automatically come, care of as, this will also, and then you need to write your father name or the guardian name. After that you need to write your mother's name, and then when you will scroll down, you will be given the option of date of birth as matching to your matriculation certificate. If yes, you need to click yes. If no, then you need to write the real one. Now the main steps comes. One of the most important steps or one of the most important galti जो the candidates do regular, कि whenever they need to write the email, they do write their emails which are not evenly registered with the UPSC form. जिस फॉर्म जब आप फॉर्म भर रहे थे UPSC का, जो आपने जो ईमेल यूज़ करा था, you had to register your ID, you had to write your email ID सेम जैसा आपने पहले करा था, अलग नहीं होनी चाहिए. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाट पीपल डू इज़ दैट जो हम कोई साइबर कैफ़े या कहीं से भी हम अपने फॉर्म भरवाते हैं तो वो लोग अपना खुद का ईमेल आईडी डाल देते हैं। तो आपको अगर खुद का उनने डाला है तो आपको अगेन यू नीड टू कॉन्टेक्ट देम एंड टेक देयर ईमेल आईडी एंड राइट देयर हेयर, क्योंकि अगर आपने उल्टा डाल दिया, कोई और दूसरा डाल दिया, तो आपको डेट सिलेक्शन लिंक नहीं आएगा। हेयर यूपीएससी ऑल्सो, यूपीएससी ने भी ये बताया है, जॉइंट इंडियन आर्मी ने भी, कि द ईमेल आईडी शुड बी द सेम एज प्राइमरी मेल गिवन इन यूपीएससी फॉर्म फॉर द एंट्री लाइक एनडी, आईएमए, एसएससी, नॉन टेक्निकल। तो ये चीज़ बिल्कुल ध्यान में रखना। मोबाइल नंबर ट्राई करना कि सेम डालो जो आपने फॉर्म भरते समय डाला था, एंड देन यू कैन मूव अहेड by clicking a tick option and then filling the captcha. After that, a new interference will be shown in which the OTP verification will be done to your email ID. Whichever email ID you had choose, you will receive a OTP from the UPSC, from the Joint Indian Army, and then you need to fill the OTP and fill the captcha. After that, the verification will be completed, and then a new interference will be there. Here you need to write your candidate name, care of, father's guardian name, mother name, date of birth, and gender, marital status, either you are marital or married, unmarried, or single, any of things. Coming to the mobile number, you need to write it, email address already written, next of kin. See, the thing is that you need to write any person who is related to and closely in your blood relation. Most of the time you can write your father's name, mother's name, elder brother, sister name. Coming to the next part, you can write their number, and then you had registered with Aadhaar number or matriculation certificate, it will automatically come. Now the main thing also comes is security question. Most of the time what happens is that या तो हमारा नंबर डिसलोकेट हो जाता है, मतलब कहीं गुम हो जाता है, और या तो हम पासवर्ड्स भूल जाते हैं। तब सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चन प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, बिकॉज जब आप सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दे देते हो तो आपको विदाउट फिलिंग द पासवर्ड आपको एक एक्सेस प्रोवाइड होता है टू योर ऑफिशियल अकाउंट। तो ये आप बहुत सोच समझ के भरना। यू कैन चूज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस आर अवेलेबल देयर, लाइक विच इज़ योर फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स, विच इज़ द फर्स्ट स्कूल यू चूज, लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। तो किसी का भी जो आपको अच्छा लगे, जो आपको लगे आप याद रख सकते हो, जो चॉइसेस बदलती नहीं है, तो आप उनमें से कोई भी इसमें से चूज कर सकते हो। कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट which is education details. You need to write your matriculations or class 10th mark sheet roll number. Definitely it will be present at the top left corner of your mark sheet, and from that you need to write your 10th class mark sheet roll number. Then eligible qualification 10+2 entry or the graduation parts. Here you can write appearing or past, either in your case. Coming to the next part, which is password requirement. Your username will be always your email ID, but the password varies from your side. You need to write a minimum 8 characters and try to make a password which is long lasting from your memory and also bit harder, so that no one can make access of your ID. Then you need to fill the captcha. After that your profile has been created, and then you will shown this type of interference. But the thing will start from now also. There will be some need which you need to follow. After seeing this interference, you will be required to put on your photo, which must be at the requirements specification, which are like 5 KB, between 5 KB to 20 KB. And after that, by filling out this photo and the signature, you will get the access of this interference, and then you can start seeing your past details also. And then from when you will scroll down, you need to again fill up the basic details which were filled earlier, and then you need to tick this consent box, and again you need to fill what is your favorite sport, any of the security questions. Then it comes again your education details, which are CBSE, matriculation or certificate number, maximum qualification which you had gained, and all that part. After that it ends and you successfully were able to fill and create your own Joint Indian Army account. And after that you will get your SSB selection date at this side. Here a new link and new portfolio will open where you will be able to access your date selection links, and then other proceedings will be also there, like PIQ filling and bank details filling, Aadhaar verification, which will be told to you and fill up. You need to fill for date selections, and through all this big process you will be able to make your account and select your date selection. Thank you.